Welcome to Ladies Dance Tips. I'm Alessia. Today I really wanted to compare these two beautiful disciplines, ballet and yoga. I've always been a big advocate of the two of them because I love them. I've practiced ballet and I've done it professionally for my whole life. But I have implemented also yoga because it makes me feel good. But do we really know if there is one that is better than the other? So today we are going to compare the two disciplines on three main pillars: flexibility, strength, and focus. Can we compare them? Can we make them fight against each other? Can we see who the winner is going to be? Are you ready? Let's start with round one. Why am I talking like this? Let's do it. Paradise has got a beautiful way for balance. You're starting from this very awkward position with this bind around your leg. But the bind, oh boy, you have to be strong to do that. Plus, concentrating on the supporting leg without wobbling, because the moment that you wobble, things are going to get ugly. Core is engaged, bum is engaged, the knee is pushing up. Beautiful for core strength, bum strength, leg and balance. And of course, the flexibility here is perfect. How is ballet going to do with this legs up to their ears? So let's start with the leg mount. The ballerina gets the leg. She goes around and wraps around her ankle, or she grabs her foot. From here, the knee comes up. She is holding on to the bar so she can check on her balance and see how things are going. Oh, the flexibility is brilliant. But the good thing about this is also that we're not using that awkward bind into the shoulder and the hip. If you lose the control of your abdominals, look at that. It can go down to the back into a little ducky moment. So ballet is doing very well with flexibility as well here. So the verdict, beautiful for flexibility on both sides. And I can't decide here. They're both really working hard. What do you think? Can we decide which one is best? I think they're very, very different. But let's keep going and let's see round two. Round two is all about the strength, and we perfectly know that the two of them are really good contestants. So let's see what the yoga and the ballet are going to be doing for strength. So here I've got for you two different ways of seeing how strength can be measured in ballet and in yoga. We perfectly know that ballerinas want to be up on their tippy toes. The yogis love to be working very much on their upside downs and inversions. So their strength is definitely going to be on the upper body, triceps, the back, and you cannot have the weight of your whole body on the head. So you're still pushing away with your hands and body. Oh, look at that core. The core is really working so much and so hard, and it's so beautiful. They are breathing. Look at that. And then the legs are getting extended. So the glutes and the core. And here comes the ballerina. She is ready. She's getting ready with her tippy toes, getting up on her tippy toes and really balancing. Yeah, she's getting into a fifth position. Oh, so she's fighting with her legs. Oh, that's beautiful. That demi pointe is so tight. Oh, look at that. Look at that. She's getting on to one leg. Oh my gosh, it looks like she's not doing anything down there, but I know how much strength there has to be into those legs, but also the glutes and the core. And she's coming back down. Beautiful. Let's get to the verdict. What's happening here? Yoga is perfect to really strengthen your upper body, your core and your glutes, and especially your arms. Oh yes, you guys, the arms are exactly what you need to be strong in yoga. Ballerinas, you cannot go wrong with their legs. Legs are always going to be super strong in a ballerina. We love that. Can we compare them? Of course not. Everyone is strong in their own skills. What do you think? Yeah? Shall we do next time? Trying to get the ballerinas doing inversions and the yogi going up to the tippy toes? Have you tried this before? If so, let me know in the comment below. But let's move forward and let's move to round three. Ding, ding, ding. Round 3, it's all about focus. Some people say that both ballet and yoga have got the same way of meditation. What do we mean with that? To meditate, to be in place, to be in the same room, in the present, and really concentrating on the now. This is what they call it. Well, let's put them on the test. Here the yogi is getting into position and really holding on to those beautiful poses. Look how concentrated the yogi is and how elongated. Oh, it's shaking a little bit, but it's still not losing that concentration. You got to breathe deeply. The more you breathe, the better. Your muscles are gonna get more relaxed. Look at that deep position. Look at that body being still and then coming back into a different way of looking at the body into the space. Here comes the ballerina. She's thinking about the movement of the arms and the movement of the leg, coordinated with the movement of the head. This is insane, but this is so cool. So she's in that position. She's not giving up, shaking a little bit, but still really going for it. She's concentrating on different combinations. This is so complicated. I've never seen someone doing so many things at the same time. So what can we say? Is the ballerina giving up? Oh no, she's not. Just as much as the yogi is not giving up. They look at each other and they can both say that, whoa, that was hard in two different ways. Isn't it fascinating? It's absolutely unbelievable. I love them both. But what do you guys think? Do you like the ballerina way or do you like the yogi way? Let me know in a comment below. What meditation do you like best? I kind of like them both, but let me know in a comment. I really cannot get a conclusion about this match. I think it's tough, you guys. I think it's really getting to my head. So I want to throw one more thing, one more round that is not, it wasn't prepared. So we're going to do this round. It's either the make it or break it of the whole match. And the last round is about the split. Will the yogi be able to do the split? Will it be able to get down smoothly and nicely with no problems and no pain? And what about the ballerina? Is she going to float down into that beautiful split with her beautiful arms? Are those arms really going to save that split? Or is it the pointed feet that is going to do it? Let's see. Oh, wow, that was easy. Why did we even make them do that? Alright, you guys, I believe I got a conclusion where I say that both disciplines are complementary to each other. If you're doing ballet, highly recommend to implement yoga. And if you're doing a yoga, I highly recommend that you start dancing around your home with ballet. But what if you're intimidated by ballet? Why don't you come and join me for a free, complete beginners ballet workshop that I'm going to be doing very soon. It's in a safe environment because it's at home and it's going to be live with me. And I'm gonna make you dance and love ballet like never before. The only thing that you need to do is register your spot with the link in the description box below. Come and join me. But while you wait for the event, why don't you try this video right here? You're going to be moving with moves that you already know. And it's ballet based. Ballet yoga.